We Hello everyone. Today we are going to the second video of the top-down shooter game 2D series. In this video, we will make a simple anime AI which chases the player and kills the player. Okay. Firstly, I wanna get the camera out of the player, not a child object. Um, we had a square here, and I wanna add a simple anime AI. Okay. Anime AI. We opened it. It comes here. Okay, just okay, we're gonna delete them again. And here, oh, they're just distracting me. Okay, here we need to get a variable called move speed again, as we used in the player moment, and it must be slower than the player. So I'm doing 8 3F. And I wanna add this one too because we need that transform player. Okay. Let's start. Wait starts here. And a curved parenthesis. On starts, we need to make something which we need to call when the game starts. And it is player and equals to game objects dots. It must be find game object with tag. Find game object with tag, and it is it must be like that. What is this code doing here is looking if it is a player tagged and starts as a player. Um, that's all for starts. Let's get the update. Okay, we need to make a if statement to get a stabilized version. Here, not this. Okay, if player equals to null, just return with nothing. Okay, after this, we need to do a huge long code here, and I just oh, Bruna. Okay, let's go. We'll write that again. Just vector to direction equals to player position delta player position, not like that. Okay. Don't make the mistake that I done. Player position delta um, transform position. Okay, transform dot position, and just normalize it because as I said the last video. And we are doing the transform that position here, position, and let's go equals not I don't know what's the name of it. Just class equals to vector 3. It is a long code, I cannot explain at all. Direction, move speed, yeah, and time dot delta time. D is not a upper one. Okay, here we completed it, and one more function here. It is void on trigger enter 2D. On trigger enter 2D with upper one, and it must be on collider 2D, not um, collider 2D and other, I believe. Um, really, okay, yes, it's okay here. Oh, we are adding a if statement here to get compared with tag, and it is written as other dot game object and game not game object, it's compare tag. My mind is messed up. We are adding a player tag here, and if it's called, open another parenthesis, destroy, and just for now, I wanna make to destroy the player and not harming right now. Destroy the other dot game object. It must be okay right now. Just G is small one, and that must be it. I think. Oh, let's go. Let's go. That's C sharp D kids. I will do it again. Okay, we got a error here on the 8th line of the code, which is type name or the space transform. I wanna look if it's really my bad, my bad. Oh, I wanna. Okay, I will fix it and come again. Okay, my bad here. I just didn't wrote the player with a smaller one, and it must be. It's I think. Okay, 12. We gotta find object. What? Bro, really? Player equals to game object. Find game object with tag. What is the problem? We didn't write with upper one. Okay. Cannot implicitly unintention that game object on 12. Find game object with tag. Find game object with tag. What we didn't hear is transform. Okay. Sometimes I'm forgetting how to do them. Sorry, it's my bad. And ta-da, it's working. I wanna make it enemy, and we call player tag here, and we need to make it a player. Um, let's come to player at tab here. List is empty. New tag. I believe there is no tag as player. Already exists. Okay, there is a tag called player. We need to call it player, and here it comes. Player, not player moment, enemy AI. Move speed is 3. Okay, we got a main camera here. Then it must be working. Okay. Okay, it's chasing me. It's totally working. And let's see if we will get destroyed. Oh, okay. Why we didn't get destroyed? One of them, we have two problems here, which we have to do. I just don't remember what we had to do here. Enemy AI hears callbacks everything. How we didn't set active this trigger, and after that it must be working, I believe. This trigger is a important one, as you can see here, and we are destroyed. Okay. Enemy AI is working. On the next videos, we can do how to kill the enemy AI. We can give both of them health scripts. And this is it for the second video. See you next time.